will open the windows of heaven and pour you out a blessings. Pero bakit, Pastor? Bakit di pa din ako nabibless? Nagtatides naman ako, nagbabalik naman ako. Ano po ba yung kulang? Ano yung dapat kong gawin? Kasi minsan nabibitin pa din. Sabi naman ng Pastor, you know why? Alam mo kung bakit? When you receive a blessings, the hand of God is not yours. It's from the Lord. Kay Lord yun. Paulit-ulit na sinasabi. So when you turn to what is not yours, you have not given anything. It's only entrusted to you. At kung ibinalik mo, you give it back to the one who owns it, it means you can be trusted with blessings. So ganito yun. Wala kang lupa. You don't have a land. Kung ibinigay mo yung tithes mo, you can be trusted. Bibigyan ka ng Panginoon ng lupa. Land pa lang yun, ha? So where's the seed? Nasaan yung mga buto, yung mga butil? It's coming from you. Sa iyo mismo manggagaling. So there is tithes and offering. The offering is your seed. Amen? Kung yung magsasaka ay may lupa and they prepared the land for planting, anong gagawin ng magsasaka? He will get the seed and plant it. Ilan ang itatanim mo? Half sack? 1 sack? 10 sacks? It's up to you. If you sow sparingly at nagtanim ka ng isang baso ng mais, huwag kang mag-expect ng 1,000 sacks ang maaani mo. Even in the law of husbandry, law of farming, alam niyan ng mga nanay, mga tatay na nagpa-plant dyan. It's the same. Kung nagtanim ka ng isang sako ng palay, expect to reap like 100 sacks of rice. Amen po ba? If you plant 10 sacks of rice, di ba ang dami? Expect mo din na magiging bountiful yung harvest mo. So, that's why when we give bountifully. Amen? So, let's give to the Lord.